Ever wondered why some brands seem to dominate Amazon while others struggle to get noticed? It's not just luck, it's all about brand awareness. Did you know that 50% of consumers are willing to pay more for a brand that appeals to them? That's a huge opportunity for online sellers. My name is Magdalena Kobus, and today we're unlocking the secrets to turning your brand into a top seller on Amazon. So, what is brand awareness? It's basically how easily consumers recognize your brand. When people think of your product category, you want your brand to pop into their minds first. Also, brand awareness is the first step in the consumer's buying journey and the beginning of their relationship with your brand. Let's take Anchor as an example of great brand awareness. They started as a small electronics company but grew into a top seller on Amazon. Why? This strong brand awareness helped them stand out in a crowded marketplace. They invested in high-quality product listings, engaged with customers, and used effective branding strategies, leading to trust and higher sales. So we already know what brand awareness is. Let's talk about why brand awareness is so crucial on Amazon. First, it helps you stand out from the competition. First and foremost, branding is a matter of visibility. A strong brand identity can set your products apart in a crowded market. On competitive platforms like Amazon, where many products can appear similar. 2. Builds trust and credibility. Brand trust is a crucial factor in boosting buyer confidence. A survey conducted by Amazon Ads proves that when it comes to choosing brands and products, consumers prefer to stick with what they know and trust. Customers who trust a brand feel more secure in their purchase decisions, knowing that the product will meet their expectations. 3. Builds brand loyalty. Satisfied Amazon shoppers who recognize and trust your brand are more likely to repeat purchases and even recommend your products to others, enhancing long-term sales and conversions. 4. Enhances marketing effectiveness. Properly optimized paid ads can drive traffic to your listings, but it's a strong brand identity that can actually close the deal and increase conversion rates on your ad campaigns. 5. Increases brand value. A well-recognized established brand earns the luxury of being associated with higher value. Once potential customers perceive a brand as premium, they are more willing to convert even if the product price is slightly higher compared to lesser-known brands. As you see, building brand awareness isn't just about making noise. It's about creating a lasting impression that drives customer loyalty and boosts your sales on Amazon. But how exactly can you do it? Let's take a look at steps you can take to improve your brand recognition. Step 1. Register with Amazon Brand Registry. Brand Registry is a free resource that helps you protect your intellectual property, manage the accuracy of product listings, and grow your business. Actually, it's the first step to securing your brand's foundation. However, it does require a pending or active trademark registration. The brand registration program uses advanced automated solutions to protect brands from counterfeit products and contributes to creating a cohesive brand experience that fosters trust and recognition among Amazon customers. Step 2. Create an Amazon brand store. Amazon Brand Store is a DIY tool provided by Amazon that allows sellers and vendors to showcase their brands and products. Simply put, it's your custom branded website but on Amazon. It lets you use engaging storytelling and interactive elements to connect deeply with your target audience. Plus, your brand store can be a landing page for both internal and external traffic. Additionally, it provides access to Amazon Store Insights, an advanced brand analytics tool that monitors parameters crucial for conversion tracking. We have a separate video about Amazon brand stores, so click here to watch it or check the pinned comment below. Step 3. Utilize A+ content. Setting up an Amazon brand store is not the only way to showcase your brand story and highlight key products. Brands can also replace dry product descriptions with visually captivating yet still informative enhanced brand content. The mix of high-quality images, videos, and relevant keywords builds enhanced customer experience, compelling brand narrative, increased product discoverability, and listings optimized for maximum conversions. Step 4. Build trust through the social proof. Positive reviews are another way to solidify and increase brand value on Amazon. They act as a social proof, reassuring an Amazon buyer about the quality and reliability of rated branded products. There are dedicated Amazon programs, such as Amazon Vine, that help generate high-quality customer reviews from trusted Amazon shoppers. Amazon's internal research has found that it allows brands to grow their initial product sales by more than 15% on average. Step 5. Localize your message to each market. Building an effective global brand awareness requires considering each target market's unique needs and preferences. It can be done with the help of e-commerce localization, which goes beyond basic translation. Take a look at this example. You have a product listing written in English with measurements in inches and price in US dollars. Would a German shopper choose it without hesitation, or would they rather click on an offer in their native language with measurements in centimeters and with the currency converted to euro? What's next? Once you establish your brand's value, your Amazon business image will transition from being just another seller to becoming a trusted brand that customers actively seek out. This shift translates to increased sales and a loyal customer base. The next step is expanding your brand globally. However, conquering the challenges of international expansion while maintaining consistent brand control on Amazon can seem challenging. Partnering with a trust and branding service can simplify this process. At WebInterpret, we understand the importance of brand awareness, and our platform helps brands maintain their identity across global markets, ensuring consistency and reinforcing brand recognition among new international audiences. Check out our website to start building your global brand recognition and boost your buyer conversion. The link is in the description. Remember, building brand awareness on Amazon isn't just about being seen, it's about being remembered and trusted. Follow these steps to create a strong brand presence that drives loyalty and boosts sales. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.